Yeah.
So Samira's smashing up peppermint. Samira, let me see. Samira's smashing up peppermint. She's putting it in her pink soap. Diane's making green. What flavor is this?
It is vanilla.
Vanilla.
But
And that one's
it's St. Patrick's Day green. This one is orange almond with oatmeal.
nice. Ooh, Rory, which one's this?
I haven't called it yet. Pumpkin.
Oh, nice. And I'm doing a yellow with, it was
Maroon.
supposed to be maroon, and then I'll do another layer of, I think, red or purple on top.
Can I use a bigger
I'm going to be like a
spoon?
silly soap.
Can I use a bigger spoon?
He's kind of cranky.
Mint.
He's teething. And we have oats. And this is going to go on the top, so I'm not going to start too much because I want it to kind of cook out a little bit. And it's just going to go on the top layer. Okay. Oh, Bobby, hold on. Let me pour this real quick. I'm going to pour it on top of my banana split. This is banana split soap, Diane. Right?
Look at that. Oh, cool. The bottom looks like banana pudding.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. Come here, up a mama. Alright, let's see.
Come on, video mine.
Hold on. Let me
That's gonna be neat.
smash it out a little bit. Yeah, hold on, Bubby. He's getting tired. Oh, good job, Aura.
All by
Stir it a
myself.
little bit so it'll stick.
I mushed it down.
Okay, good. I know.
I wanted it to be like
Make
that.
this flat. Make sure you smack it down and get all your air pockets out. Don't forget to get your air pockets out, D.
Air pocket?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
You smash it down.
What do you use to smash yours down?
Just. So this is Rory's. It looks like ice cream. Pink and yellow. You guys can see the colors. It's kind of. Looks like ice cream. And this one's Samira's. It's just a reused Jello cup. And then I've got some down in there, but I'm not going to get it out. You guys can see that on the picture. This is cold process, and this is hot process. So this is silly soap. It should be done tomorrow. And that's Diane's. And then that's my banana split. Banana split. Yum, yum, yum.